How to install Vanguard for Valorant. Now this method is very easy. All you have to do at the very first part of the process is make sure that Vanguard is currently not installed on your Riot games from Valorant, so it will not be duplicated. To make sure, just go into your apps and features from your Windows icon, like so. And then in here, just simply look for Vanguard and just simply or manually uninstall it from your apps and features. Next thing to do is to open up your CMD or your command prompt. Make sure to run it as an administrator. And then once the command that you're going to have is going to be sc space delete and then space vgc, hit on enter. And then the other command or the second command is going to be sc space delete vgk and then hit on enter. Now exit this CMD prompt. And then for you to be able to reinstall Vanguard into your Valorant, you just need to log in into your Riot Games account, and then it will automatically detect that you have fully uninstalled Vanguard on Valorant. Just simply hit on update, and it will automatically reinstall by itself. And that is how you install Vanguard into Valorant.